Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a safe backup and getting administrator rights. This prevents accidental system corruption. Once done, close apps that might lock keys and export the current registry via File Export and Save A, Reg file. Then open Run with Win plus R, type Regedit, and accept the UAC prompt to launch the Registry Editor. You're in the editor now. Make sure you know the exact key path before moving on because small typos change different settings. Now locate the precise key path using the tree on the left. Accuracy matters, so expand folders step by step. Before editing, export just the targeted key as a secondary backup. This lets you restore only that node if needed. When changing or creating values, pick the correct type, DWORD for 32-bit flags, QWORD for larger numbers, or string for text, and enter the exact data. If permissions prevent changes, adjust key permissions by right-clicking Permissions and granting administrators full control. After making edits, close Registry Editor and restart the affected service or reboot the PC so Windows reads the new values. Some settings apply immediately, but many require a restart. Once rebooted, verify the change in the target application or system setting to confirm the desired effect. If something goes wrong, import the exported reg backup you saved earlier to restore the previous state. Troubleshooting tip: if Windows won't boot, use Safe Mode or Recovery Media to import the working backup and undo the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.